Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been wanting to create an eye-catching personal portfolio website but aren't sure where to start, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through the first steps of designing your very own portfolio website in Figma, even if you're new to web design. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to find and customize a professional portfolio template, making it truly your own, and have the foundation you need for a stunning online presence. So let's dive right in. To kick things off, open up Figma and head to the Templates and Tools section. This is where all sorts of ready-made resources are available to save you tons of time and give you a solid starting point. Think of this like picking out the blueprint for a house. Rather than building everything from scratch, it gets you up and running faster and sparks inspiration. Once you're in the templates area, let's look for a personal portfolio template. Just click into the search bar, type in personal portfolio, and Figma will pull up a variety of designs you can choose from. Take a moment to scroll through the options. You'll see templates with different layouts, color schemes, and vibes. Pick one that really matches your personality or the style you want your portfolio to reflect. Remember, this is your digital first impression, so don't rush, choose something that feels right to you. When you find a design you love, select it and then choose the option to open it up in Figma. This action brings the template directly into your personal workspace, letting you view and interact with every element. Now this is the fun part. You can start customizing the template to make it uniquely yours. If you want to swap out the placeholder images with your own headshot or portfolio pieces, just click on the images and replace them. Try changing the colors to match your personal brand or tweak the font so it feels more like your own style. Don't worry if you aren't sure about all your choices right away. You can always adjust things as you go. What's important is that you start playing around and letting your creativity flow. As you work, notice how each section of the template is built, from the header and about section to the project showcase and contact info. Think about how you want visitors to navigate your site and what information should stand out the most. This is a great time to tailor the content to your personal story or professional experience. And remember, little changes can make a big difference. Sometimes just updating the color scheme or swapping in your own logo gives the whole design a fresh feel. Once you're happy with your customizations and the design feels like it truly represents you, there's just one more simple step. Go ahead and copy your finished design, then paste it into a new project or file if you want to keep things organized. This also helps if you want to iterate on different versions or revisit your design later for tweaks and improvements. That's it, the core of your personal portfolio site is ready to go. I know starting with templates might feel a bit impersonal, but trust me, with your custom touches it'll look nothing like anyone else. And the best part is, now you have a solid foundation so you can focus on adding great content and telling your unique story. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button. It really supports the channel and lets me know you're enjoying these tutorials. If you have any questions, or if there's a particular design trick you want to learn in the next part, just drop a comment below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the upcoming parts of this Figma portfolio series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.